You work with a lot of IT teams, so you have seen the mistakes that they make. Walk us through the most common mistakes IT teams make when patching HA environments.
So one of the big mistakes is assuming that all HA solutions solve the patching problem the same way. But not all HA solutions are created equal. So for example, hypervisor-level solutions like VMware HA or Hyper-V clustering, they're great for protecting against hardware failures or allowing maintenance on the physical host. But if you need to patch the operating system or the application running inside the VM, the workload still has to be taken offline, and so you have to schedule downtime for maintenance inside the virtual machine. That's where application level clustering becomes much more useful. So because the application is running on multiple nodes, you can patch one node at a time and perform rolling updates. So the application keeps running while you update the environment, which will dramatically reduce the downtime required. But another common issue is configuration drift. So over time, servers start to look a little different from each other. Maybe one has a slightly different patch level or driver version or configuration setting. So everything works fine until the moment you fail over. Then suddenly the application behaves differently on the other node. So I see teams skipping the realistic testing. They may not test patches in a lab, but the lab environment does not look anything like production. So when the patch hits production, there are surprises. So the best practice is to rehearse failovers and patching procedures regularly so the team knows exactly what will happen when the time comes to actually apply that patch.